The Windows installer error that sometimes occurs when users try to run programs out of files is an error message that says something like this. Now, if you have the same problem, then you might have clicked the right video. To fix this, first, check if the setup file is blocked. To do this, open File Explorer, go to the folder you have downloaded and affected software setup file to, then right-click on the file, select Properties, then choose the Unblock box on the General tab if you can see one. Then select Apply and select OK. Additionally, try to scan your system files for corruption. You can do that by opening Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, press Enter, and wait for the process to be completed. Then for your last resort, run the Windows Installer Service by opening Services, search for Windows Installer Service, double-click on it, and if the Windows installer is not running, click the Start option. Also, choose the Automatic on the Startup type. Once done, select Apply to save the new service settings and press the Services Windows OK option. And that's how to fix the following error in your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.